Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keyboard caps lock on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings page, scroll down, and in here tap on general, then scroll down and tap on keyboard. Next, go down to the all keyboards section and tap on enable caps lock. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on caps lock. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen and open up an app that you can launch the keyboard. So here, if I simply double tap on the shift key, you can see the cap will be locked. And that's it. So if I switch it off, when I double tap on it, it does not cap lock. So that is how you can turn on or turn off caps lock for the keyboard on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.